What up, world? It's your boy Mike Morrison with episode 4 of Make Yourself a Movie. In the last 8 years I've spent working in finance, I've helped a lot of clients, and one reoccurring issue is credit. So today I'll be talking about why credit matters in building the life of your dreams. I've got over $30,000 in student loan debt, and there was not one college course that was mandatory on taking personal finance or managing credit. Now, it doesn't matter what career you go into, or even if you're a high school student that decides you don't want to go to college, everyone has to deal with credit at some point or another. If your dream life includes buying a house, a nice car, or maybe starting your own business, you need credit, unless you're buying all cash. It's hard to stay motivated to build your dream life if your finances are always getting in the way. So being able to manage your finances and your credit score are key life skills everyone should learn. So you're probably wondering, what's a credit score and how do I know if mine is good? Your credit score is basically a financial report on how you manage your credit lines or debts. The most common items that show on your credit score are credit cards, store cars, car loans, mortgages, and items in collections. Unfortunately, for the most part, paying your bills like light, cell phone, rent does not show up on your credit score. Your credit score can range from 300 to 850, and generally 700 or better is a good credit score. So if you're looking to buy a house, most banks look for a 620 credit score or better, but some will take a little lower. And if you're looking to buy a car and heard one of these commercials, bad credit, no credit, everyone approved! What they don't tell you is everyone's not approved. And in the case where if you are, you may get a ridiculously high interest rate like 18% or more, which would cost thousands of dollars in extra payments that you wouldn't have made if you had good credit. So how do you get good credit? 65% of your credit score comes from payment history and balances on your account. A history of on-time payments can show that you're a reliable and responsible borrower. Late payments, on the other hand, may show that you may not be able to pay your debts and may cause a loss to the bank or issuer. Not only will late payments lower your score, they can also hurt your pockets too. You can get charged late fees, which are usually $25 or more, and even have higher interest rates, which can cause higher payments on your monthly bills. So pay your debts on time and keep low balances on your cards, about 30% or less of your limit, to get higher scores. But if there are things on your credit score you don't agree with, you can dispute and possibly remove them by writing letters to the credit bureaus or paying somebody to do it for you. Bottom line is educate yourself on your credit and how to improve it so you can focus on building the life of your dreams. You can check your credit score by going onto creditkarma.com and creating a free profile. Well, that's a wrap for today, so remember, go make yourself a movie.